Someone just open sourced a hedge fund, not a trading bot, not a simple algorithm. A full multi agent trading firm where AI analysts debate each other, researchers argue bull versus bear cases, and a risk manager approves or rejects every trade. 54,000 GitHub stars, built on LangGraph, works with any LLM, and it's completely free. Here's how the entire system works. The architecture mirrors a real Wall Street trading firm. Think about how a hedge fund actually operates. You don't have one person making all the decisions. You have specialized teams, analysts who study different aspects of the market, researchers who debate the findings, a trader who synthesizes everything, and a risk manager who can veto any trade. Trading agents recreates this entire structure with AI agents. Each agent has a specific role, specific expertise, and specific responsibilities. They collaborate, debate, and challenge each other before any trading decision is made. This isn't one model guessing, it's a system of specialized agents that operates like a real firm. The analyst team has four specialists. The fundamentals analyst evaluates company financials, revenue, earnings, debt, cash flow, growth metrics. It reads financial statements the way a CFA would. The sentiment analyst monitors social media and market sentiment using scoring algorithms. What are people saying about this stock? Is sentiment shifting? The news analyst watches global news and macroeconomic indicators. Interest rate changes, geopolitical events, sector specific developments, anything that moves markets. And the technical analyst applies indicators like MACD, RSI, moving averages, volume analysis, pure chart patterns, and price action. Four analysts, four different lenses on the same market, just like a real trading desk. This is where it gets fascinating. The researcher team takes all the analyst reports and runs a structured debate. A bullish researcher argues for buying, a bearish researcher argues against. They go back and forth across multiple rounds, challenging each other's assumptions, poking holes in the analysis, stress testing the thesis. This debate format is critical. A single model would just give you one answer. The debate forces the system to consider both sides genuinely. The bullish case might cite strong fundamentals and positive sentiment. The bearish case might counter with overvaluation signals and technical weakness. Only after the debate concludes does the system move forward with a balanced view. The trader agent takes everything, all four analyst reports, the full bull versus bear debate, and makes the actual trading decision. Not just buy or sell, the timing, the position size, the entry point. Then, before the trade executes, the risk management and portfolio manager layer reviews it. Volatility check. Is this too risky given current portfolio exposure? Liquidity check. Can we actually execute this trade at this size? Portfolio balance check. Does this trade concentrate too much in one sector? If risk management flags an issue, the trade gets modified or rejected entirely, just like a real firm. The analyst doesn't get to override risk management. The system has checks and balances. The technical implementation is elegant. Built on LangGraph for the agent orchestration, the same framework behind many production agent systems. It works with any LLM, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, XI, DeepSeek, Ollama for local models. You can run the entire hedge fund on your laptop with open source models if you want. Install it with pip install, Then either use the CLI or the Python API. Feed it a ticker and a date, and it runs the full pipeline. Analysts, debate, trading decision, risk check. Everything is logged. Every decision, every debate round, every risk assessment. The system learns from past decisions and injects those lessons into future analyses. And it has checkpoint recovery. If it crashes mid analysis, it picks up exactly where it left off. Why does this matter beyond trading? Because this architecture pattern, specialized agents that debate and check each other, applies to everything. Legal analysis, where bull and bear researchers become prosecution and defense. Medical diagnosis, where specialists collaborate before a treatment decision. Business strategy, where optimistic and pessimistic analysts challenge each other. The open source hedge fund is a template. The multi agent debate architecture is the real innovation. And at 54,000 stars, the community clearly agrees. An entire hedge fund, open source, free, 54,000 stars. Comment. Hedge, and I'll send you the complete guide, the architecture breakdown, setup instructions, and how to adapt this multi agent debate pattern to your own projects. All four guides in the description. Subscribe for more.